The little emojis. Are you selling Rivian or holding? Why would I sell it? It's barely moved. Kava good setup. I'm in Kava. Trade only pulls to the 10 and the 20 and not the 20. Is it still valid? Yeah. It just depends. But it doesn't always have to pull to the 20. Look at the name of this stock. It's kind of odd. Did Meta have earnings? I'm assuming, right? Okay, OSTK had really good earnings, actually. I'm gonna make sure I'm watching this. I have to piss so bad. I'll be right back. All right, made it back in time. OSTK potential EP. Yeah. How's weave? It's weaving. That's a pretty weak open. Lyft is breaking out for sure. Okay. OSTK and AI. Wow. OSTK is really 33.80. Really gotta wait for that first 5 minute though. Yo, what's up, Kyle Phillips? Or Kyle Phillips. You good? About a minute left until we can see. OSTK, I just bought this. I bought shares. Not sure how the options chain looks, but probably not that good. What do you mean unmute? I'm not talking. Spread on OSTK is bad. Yeah, probably. You think Neo done? I don't know. Let's see. Mm, based on today's open, yeah, probably. McDonald's, this thing's kind of a shitter now. It actually wasn't horrible of a setup. How's Meta doing? Huh. Alright, so AI and Lyft we're still waiting on. Why is this fucking not loading? How do you feel about Kava right now? I think it's just building another range. Shop. I wouldn't really consider that a breakout. I mean, I guess on the hourly. Yeah, it's breaking that trend line for sure. Bro, why is this not fucking loading? Oh my god, it's gonna piss me off. Okay, AI, I just bought shares 0.5%, and then I'm gonna put another 0.5% on options, most likely. What is this? How is it gonna film me on fucking 9? Like, bro, are you kidding me? Okay. Yeah, volume on AI is huge. This is 0.5 to 35 on OSTK. And who cares? Shares look way better. Okay, so what do we have? I have quite a few positions. My market value. Oh, it's lower than I thought, actually. Not too sure what's up with this. I think it's time to trim DK and G and Rivian options. DK and G, you should have known about that. And Rivian, I mean, there's no point to sell it. Unless you're like oversized ridiculously for some reason. Did you take SDIG? I did not. Is AI gonna fail already? If this gets above 44, it'll be good. 160 people watching. Interesting. What's your fill price on AI? Shares at 43.48, and then average on contracts is like 13.14. Only a few of them filled at 13, and then the rest 14. But it needs to get above this. We'll see. It's kind of looking like a turd. Not too sure what's up with that. What just happened? What the fuck? This kid replied 0 volume. Are you autistic by any chance? Do you have eyeballs? AI has huge volume. OSTK is doing pretty good. You saw my reply to him. It's funny because the volume and open interest on 50 calls are the highest, aside from like the 45s. QS, this is doing really well. I'm not sure. Was this an EP too? Oh, looks like it was. But earnings weren't like. Why is it showing me earnings weren't anything good on this? Let me check this out. Loss per share. Like, why is it ripping like this? AIs might actually stop out. That would be unfortunate. Let's see if it does. Looks like it's going to. TBH. You really couldn't do it. It's kind of gay. Hit QS for 40% this morning. Yeah. I'm not sure what is up with that because earnings weren't good. This one had good earnings. But it looks like QS is moving better than it, which doesn't make any sense. Rivian got to show us something here. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. AI looks like it's going to stop us out. Just like right there. Either do it or don't. I think it'll do it based on this rejection right here. Oh, it's so close. What was that, a penny away? 2 pennies away? That's actually so close. I guess this thing's going again. Not something I'm really that interested in. That's not a very good looking setup. If it was something more like this first one, that'd be different. Time for OSTK to consolidate for the rest of the day? Yeah, most likely. I got stopped out of AI already. So you moved it to break even. Oh, it doesn't work like that. You can't just move your stop to break even because you were in profits for a second. That doesn't make sense. Google. How's it doing? Oh, yeah. Day one was shit, though. Uh-oh. It's almost there. Lyft. Okay, AI stopped me out. Let's see. Oh, that's not even bad at all. Okay, Lyft, I'm gonna take like a little lotto on. Probably like I might just go with 0.5%. I'm up pretty good these past few weeks. Um, Lyft, let's see, 14 calls aren't bad. They're really cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna do about 0.5% risk on Lyft for 14 calls. I'm not gonna put it on Twitter because it's just like kind of a lotto. This is looking like it wants to go. Stats on this are really good. 11.46 ADR. Real. There's the volume though. How is it? It's not bad. I'd like to see this go up a bit more though. Let me post. Some people on Twitter are just straight up retarded. OSTK going strong right now. It is. Real looks like it wants me to take a position on it pretty soon here. I don't know though. We'll see. Breakout Bible. I want to get it done this weekend. Yeah, people always think they're better than everyone on Twitter. Twitter is just like I like it because I can talk shit, but also people can talk shit back. So sometimes it's annoying, but I like the beef. I love it because people pretend like I don't know what I'm doing as if I didn't just make multiple thousands of percents, 2,000% yesterday, 8,500% the week before, a couple weeks before that, 6,000. It's like, bro, do you know who you're talking to, buddy? All right, I'm buying this. Real. Oh, fuck. That just okay. Was that? Oh, there's my buy. Well, okay, now it's filled. That's interesting. Huh. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Yes, I have watched that. His account's well over 80 mil now. If you saw, there's this one video he posted. I think it was a clip of his stream, and it was like 10 mil plus day to day. Um, yeah, AI, I have a price alert set up here, so if it goes, we'll be good. Also, you guys should be in shares on Real. This is really good for small accounts. 11% ADR, 250 mil market cap. Shares on this are good. But yeah, he posted it was like 10 mil day to day. Started with a few thousand 10 years ago or something. It's just pretty crazy to think. Like, it's a lot of fucking money in a day. D-Walk, I think he made like 30 mil plus in 2 days. I'll get there. I think not only will I get there, but I'll be better. That's just me, though. Alexander Jensen. I don't know who that is. Workhorse. How the fuck are you up 250%? This thing hasn't moved. See, you should be in stocks like this. The ones that go straight up to the sky. And then the ones that go straight to the ground, like AI. You should have also been in that. But, you know, it's okay. I am currently down 0.5% on my account for the day. What's the price target for real? I don't really have a price target for it. Yeah, I don't know. No price target. QS, dude, that's pretty fucking crazy. OSTK. How is it? How does QS have double the day? How? Like, what is going on? Have you cut weave position at all? No. AMD. Nah, don't like it. Hate to see it. Someone said that they're just going to continue to hold AI as if it didn't hit the stop loss. Yep. Let's just break the trading rules because that's not important. Just not wait for a confirmed reentry. Might as well just hold right through the stop. Genius. Man, I love Twitter. It's so great. Can this thing just like go higher? I don't get it. This thing pulled back pretty hard. Volume's big though. Probably just doesn't have a lot of attention. OSTK still good. Yeah, everything looks solid. We'll just have to wait and see. When you do shares, do you include extended hours or no? No, I don't. Did you sell Rivian? No. Got a nice pop on SFIX. Yeah, not bad. Nice, you know, higher lows here than lower highs. Tightened up a bit and broke out. High volume. See that day? Volume came right in. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad. How do you draw the breakout? It kind of like, I can just see it. Like, right here, I can see yesterday was breakout day, but I took a lotto because contracts are so damn cheap for some reason. Lyft is not moving. Yeah, let's expect the stock to move in the next 5 minutes. Significantly enough to move contract price that is like 10% out of the money. It's a lotto, brother. Riot Mara. Yeah, these are starting to set up. Let's see. This breakout day was 620. Breakout day was 7-3. I don't really know which one would be the leader in this case. I think Hut might be. I feel like this one broke out first. But the setup's just shit now. How's Bitcoin look? That might be important. Yeah, not really holding up all that well. What's the weekly look like? Weekly's not bad on it. Just pulled to the weekly 10. Thoughts on risking 2% instead of 1%? That's for better market conditions. But yeah, you can, especially on smaller accounts. Larger accounts, you're probably never going to exceed like 1.5. But until your account's like a few 100K, good market conditions, you're good for 2%. You just have to make sure like it's actually good market conditions, which simple way to tell that is like if the 10 is above the 20 on SPY, which for the past 2 months we've had pretty good conditions. I wouldn't say it's good enough to be risking or like increasing risk. I've been like half to 1% risk most of the time. GM, what's up with GM? Why are you guys liking this? I don't like it. It's yeah, don't like it. You want to look for things that have made a big move up recently and then are starting to go sideways. So BBIG could be a candidate soon, right? This made a 300% move in 18 days. Now it looks like it wants to go sideways. GM too choppy? Yeah, for sure. And it hasn't made a big move recently. Something like this, KSCP, 350% in a month. Now is going sideways, pulled to the 10 and the 20. Volume's dying out as price goes sideways. This is literally just what you need to look for. Also, this has a 27% ADR. GM has a 2. So on average, this will move 27% per day. On average, GM will move 2. 9. Yeah, 9 pulled right to the 20. You see that? Right to the 20. That was bottom for it. Bounced right back up to the 10. Now it's holding 10, looking for a breakout. We check the sector, energy. energy broke out of this range. So if we go to the weekly, even the monthly, you'll be able to tell. Energy went up, sideways, breaks out. So now we're waiting for stocks in that sector to break out, which 9 would be a good candidate. It's really just all about when to take risk and why. Strongest sectors right now. Let's check. Consumer cyclical looks really good. This looks like it just started to break out. It's been pretty strong lately. Financial services for sure. Energy, industrials, tech. I don't really think there's too much of a clear leader here. So really just the best setup wins. I mean, that's usually how we play it anyway, right? Best looking setup is just the best opportunity. What were the SMA levels you use again? They're not levels, they're just moving averages. So I have the 10, 20, 50, and 200 on the daily chart. And then the hourly chart, the 10 EMA. So instead of an SMA, I have an EMA. What's the difference between EMA and SMA? They're calculated differently. Exponential versus simple. What's your TPs on Lyft? I don't really set it like that. Looks like this would be a good spot. 14. What do we have? 14 calls? Oh, perfect. What do you know? I'm a genie. What was your fill on real? My fill on real is 2.77 is my average price. Thousands of shares because it's cheap as fuck. Yeah, I don't think Lyft should have a problem hitting 14. Will Lyft be another multi-thousand% gainer? Probably. Rivian just constantly, yeah. I knew it was going to pull some IONQ shit. I mean, it's not really like over yet or anything, but I guess we'll have to see on how today closes. It's being such a shitter, and I don't get it. Dude, why the fuck does everyone have to call me right now? About a full port lift? That's not very smart. Golden rule, if it's your mom calling, you always answer. Yeah, of course, but it's not my mom. It's some fucking bitch who doesn't need to call me. Especially not right now. Like, what do you call me for? It's 7 in the morning. Go to sleep. Yeah, will Rivian finally pick up? Tell her you can't answer. You're busy trading breakouts. That's quite literally what I said. Said, look, she's pregnant. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Never, ever, ever. And if that was the case, you don't break news at 7 a.m. That's how you get. That's how I fly to the Bahamas. But yeah, you just got to tell him, you say, look, I'm trading breakouts. You're not. You have a low IQ. And then you leave it at that. Then they say, oh my God, pro breakout trader. As if they know what that means. Are you still looking at AAOL? Yeah, I think it looks good. Oh, never mind. What the fuck? It's so far from the weekly, though, so that makes sense. I don't aspire much, but I aspire to have the bluntness you have. You just have to wake up and not give a shit. When you wake up in the morning and you say, listen, I don't give a shit, your life will be so much better. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Okay, and this just wants to go. Like, are you kidding me? Okay, I can't get any size on this now. That's fucking ridiculous. Like, oh yeah, let's put in fucking 3K. Sick. That's so annoying. Could make such a good move, but I guess we'll just watch it play out. So, idea here, this is a parabolic long setup. My idea here is it pulls back to 2130. Doesn't mean buy it. If I was you, I would pass on this. But it's something to watch. Yeah, bro is back. Yo, yo. What's good, bro? Are you okay? Just making sure. My account knows I like the color red. Well, that's not too good. Are you natty? Yeah, of course. Do I look unnatural? I hope so. No, I'm not very big at all. Where's Justin been? Haven't seen him in a while. He's been around. How would you treat open? What do you mean, how would I treat it? I'd be nice to it. Let's see. I would like a much better setup. But this is going on my list because I do like this. If it can, tighten up a bit, build a much tighter range, it is getting higher lows, which is good sign. Holding and moving averages, good sign. Volumes declining, good sign. Earnings 8.3, not the best sign, but I guess we can just wait for earnings. What did I tell you guys? BBIG didn't like it. What do you know? Big pullback. If this builds a range on the daily, I'll take it. Other than that, I'm chilling. This is a good looking setup. Look at that. The trend line is already drawn for me. I can see it. It's talking to me. Do you see that? Okay, why is this line so long? Why did I do that? Look at the trend line. $14 is take off what he said. Yeah. Hopefully it gets there. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't. We'll see. How much do I have? Oh, like a little less than 0.5%. PSQH still going. Isn't that just annoying as fuck? We'll see. If this hits 21.30 today, then we'll have a good that'll be good. What stop on Lyft? I mean, maybe today's low. I got this week for Lyft. Lyft update. Do you guys not have a chart? You can't see? Lyft, the stop should realistically be this day's low. I mean, they'd be worthless by then, obviously. Which is why, like, holy fuck, dude. PSQH is such a small cap. Like, the way it's moving is just straight up small cap activities. You guys need to see this. Watch it fly. Oh, maybe not. These things are so crazy sometimes. Like, I don't doubt that today this goes to 21.30 within, like, a few minutes. Like, this thing will just fucking rip out of nowhere. That's how some of these are sometimes. I'm new to breakouts. Can you give me tips to spot them better? I guess, like, trend line identification is going to come over time. The more you look at them, the better you will. We all just using your chart, bro. Are you guys? You don't got your own chart? The more you look at them, like, the more you'll be able to notice it. I mean, I've looked at, like, thousands of them. So for me, it's like the lines draw themselves at this point. Like, I just instantly see it. I spotted this one. Not even on purpose. My eyes just locked to it. And I'm like, oh shit. Breakout. Let's see. We can find them anywhere. Any stock that has made a big move up probably has a breakout setup. Which this one has. Oh, let's see. All right, is this gonna be like? Why does it do this? Freezes up like that. Up, I see one right here. Breaks out right there. There's one right here. Not the best, but there is one. That would have been breakout day. Volume. Then it ended up making a 127% move. Interesting. And then after it closes under the 10, what happens? Stock declines. That's why you get out when it closes under the 10. Let's see. When it closes under the 10, ends up way down here. But then it reports good earnings. Gives us an opportunity again. After being sideways for a month. Hmm. What's SPY doing? Oh, that would make sense. A lot of things seem to be pulling back. What's up with this? Is he about to go crazy? Wouldn't fucking doubt it. Unity is moving. Why would you recommend TC2000? Because the scanners and everything. There's just like a lot of features on it that are really good. You should add record to your watch list. I could do that. Check it out in a sec. Look at that, a 1 minute breakout. Is it gonna be a fake one or is it gonna actually go? I guess we'll never know. Nvidia is slowly setting up, is it? Yeah, it is a bit. ATVI. Wow, that's getting really thin. I'll do a price alert on it. It's a lower ADR, but I think they just had some sort of news, right? What does that ATR check with the red green circle mean on the risk calculator? So that's like if it's above ATR, average true range, then you can't take it. I mean, it's basically going to be the same as ADR. So let's say like OSTK after open, first 5 minute was 8%, and ADR is 6.72. So technically, you're not supposed to take that, but on these, like when they report good earnings, they're always above average daily range within the first 5 minutes, so I just take them. But yeah, I mean, it just is like a safety check, I guess. Make sure that you're not buying it when it's like too high. Rivian dead, fuck, seems like it. Stop loss on Rivian, yesterday's low, like normal. How's your stop loss for options at yesterday's low? Are you placing? No, I just have price alerts. So like, if it hits, the low, it'll tell me, and then I'll just go and sell it for options. Real might be dead too. No, I don't think so. I mean, volume is fine on it. It looks fine. Realistically, we're gonna have to wait until close to see. He seems to be very smart. Yeah, program for members where if they are the ones to Spotify star and it goes, you buy them food. Yeah, that makes sense. Why, you hungry? You need a chicken sandwich or something? Send your Addy. Yeah, you can do that. I'll order you pizzas that are unpaid for, and then you pay for them at the door. How does that sound? Right, setting up again, possibly? It is. You are right. Possibly is. We gotta give it some time, though. Looks like we got a bit of a cool off from a lot of things. Check out cost. It's definitely been strong lately. It's a low ADR, but it broke this range. It built quite a tight range for a monthly setup. It's a growth stock. This is, something maybe grandma or grandpa would buy. But I'm not grandma or grandpa. I want to grow my account quick. So I look for faster moving stocks. Which apparently half of the ones I've been selecting lately just don't fucking move. Like Rivian. Thanks so much, Rivian. Check out Bulgarian split squats. You mean like for the gym? Why ADR over ATR or TR? ADR, well, it's because it's a percent. Average true range is going to tell you like dollar value. So it's going to be different for each stock. Like ATR, you can just look and it's like, oh, this moves 5% versus like, oh, this moves $6. And then, one that's cheaper like this. So this moves 20 cents. Like, it's just way easier to look at the percent. What do you think of GENI? It's setting up. It's on my list. I like this one for sure. All right, let's see. What else is there? Lyft, just kind of chilling out. Weave, pulling back up. Rivian, fucking doing absolutely nothing. Kava, same shit. OSTK, this has been pretty good. ETRN, if these current trades fail, it'll be 15%. What the fuck? ETRN, this is a good one. This is a low ADR, but this is a really good breakout. Oh, well, maybe it's not as good as a breakout as I thought. Well, something happened, right? This candle's obviously moving. That has to be news. There's no way this thing just goes 8% out of nowhere. Fuck, I guess so. There's nothing on the news tab. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Update on Lyft. Here's your update. Volume's coming in hot on the hourly. It's looking nice. Have to give it some time. We'll have to be patient. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today. I don't really see anything else. Maybe if this gives like an intraday 5-minute setup, that'll be chill. KSCP, this kind of looks like it's going, but I don't know. Like also can't really tell because it should have been really going, you know. Not the biggest fan. Can't get much size on it anyway. If the call doesn't look like it's going to reach the price target and you're kind of ready to break even, is the day before expiration, do you sell or just wait until it expires worth this? Fuck, dude. Most of the times, like, if it's a lot of like that, I'll just let it expire. It doesn't matter. I have like 0.5% in anyway. If I lose, I lose. I'll just make another multiple 1,000% gainer, and then there goes 20 losses on a 2K percent. And 8K percent, there goes 80 losses. Like, you know, there will 160 if you're risking 0.5% per trade, and then you had a 1% risk 8,000% trade. So you don't really need to win a lot. That's why you guys will notice that I don't win a lot, but when I do, it's fucking huge. That's why size is so important. Yeah, literally. Risk management is actually what's important. This is gonna go sideways. Looks like it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's about it for me. Yeah, I guess we'll just check on everything at the end of the day. Other than that, there's kind of no point to stare at this stuff. But when you win, you win. Yeah, exactly. Should we sell some OTSK? If you want to. I'm not. Maybe within the next 3 to 5 days I will, but other than that. Okay. See ya, guys. You have to type this in chat before you leave. See ya.